Huh? So we can't go around this. Why not? Hoo-dee-doo. Guys, how beautiful is this? Oh my gosh. First of all, bookshelf with spotlights. Shut all the doors. In Caribbean language, this is a brick front. This is a brick front, and you can put a lock on it. This bookshelf is $610. That's crazy. But I love the look. I actually love the look. Ooh. Okay, let's go find Orlando. Oh, here you are. Babe, the bookshelf is $610. It's so beautiful. Yeah, then this middle said the microwave one. The range microwave. Then this nicey. Damn. It's simple and it's nice.
Expensive.
How much? Indiano. No, Indiano. The entire kitchen is for $9,100. The cabinet, them alone are $4,700. Mighty God. And the appliances, them are $3,900. That's why. So that's why me I say, you know. So them cabinet door, yeah. We don't need what go in this, you know. We just need the door them. We just need them, and it's slow closing. No, for sure. Yeah, that me realize. This cutie, I like this. To the side, I like the idea. And guys, what I realize, I them fridge I run it, you know, like them top and bottom fridge are one way. Like, you know, if I get the bag of double door fridge, because the double door fridge them take up space. But even though it's Ikea, it's still fridge and stove. And that over the sink is cute. But over our sink, what did they cupboard? Yeah. And that's one little tea thing. Yeah. Ooh. Is this entire bookshelf for $100? The lights are cute over it. It is. That's not bad still. Guys, talk to me nice. That bookshelf ain't nobody now. This TV. So this on TV stand. I try to think what's that TV would I go yesterday? That TV would have small but hello. just have such good ideas when it comes to them something, yeah. Like, I like them lamp, yeah. What is this? Oh, this is for a rug, but how much is it for the lamp? I like the lamp. The lamp at $29. Whoa. I could get behind that. I could. And instead of painting the over the stuff, I like that. I also love this bookshelf. This mirror would be beautiful for the entryway. Big and nice. Soap dispenser. Okay. Guys, regarde les miroirs. OMG, I've been wanting the circular one. This would also good for the entryway. Wow. The oval one ain't bad either. Unless this has storage, I'm gonna see why it's so big. But damn, it's big. It is big. Kitchen, that's something. Yeah. Wow, this is nice. Wow. The bookshelf are not bad, but I don't like the multicolor. Oh la la, ça coûte combien? OMG. $6.89 for the table alone. Come on, no Ikea stay now. The table alone are probably $6.79, but I like the look. I like the look and the chairs. I like this. But it's giving very farm vibes. Guys, one thing for sure, I want to do, I get some fake plants. Fake plants are my thing this time around. Oh, this is nice. I swear, Ikea works with the best interior decorators. Because what is this wall? This is nice. $20% off rugs. Really? I also want to go to this place. I really want to go to this place. I think this is in Italy or Monaco. I don't remember, but I have this picture in my phone. I love these collage walls that they have going on. So guys, we finally got the keys after however long, because of some delay on the other people in parts. But yeah, we finally have the keys now, so we're in. You're absolutely ridiculous. But Nando, this not this low. It actually come in like the same one them way when my day in a Ikea a while ago. As I said, a double sink now can work, yes sir. Based on the underneath.
You put the counter sink in them on the square sink.
I just want food plastics.
Yeah, but yeah.
Just put the big counter sink in them on.
No, the under sink thing. I don't remember, but the space are the problem. Okay, so we're talking about.
Oh, but I see that cat guy though. Oh, but it's small.
No, it's not that small to be honest, but like forget a double sink wouldn't work really.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think of something like that, sure, nothing. Yeah. Ikea, so them have a measuring service. So they can come in and measure everything we want for like $49 so. Yeah. So, and to be honest, them what we just seen on Home Depot a while ago, I got them obvious though. The laminate top. I don't know special top, I just laminate top. So yeah. Yeah. The quartz and them shit, they're kinda expensive. But my thing is my suggestion was we'll just dash through the door and paint over the inside. The way you think would that?
Dash through the door and paint over the inside.
Yeah. Flip the inside and just put on some new ones. As I said, we could have moved. Oh, this detached. So this could have legit come out, right? And just move and we'll keep this up here. So. But I guess what they under here, so. Oh, the bottom end. Yeah. So we could have just take over this. Because they paint this, you know, based on the side or that side. You think that's right? We don't have to keep this to for that then one. We don't have to keep it. No, do something that you just say you want to put there.
What?
Something like this one, the counter piece. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, we have go.
Yeah.
Okay, we have go. So put the counter with this. And this stay over.
Put the piece of pantry over here, so with the tea station. But just take off the door. Then what I think we really have to be smart with how we spend money in terms of how we see the cabinet and price a while ago.
So you're good with this?
Them may never be that expensive. No one changes because it's reminiscent of it. So I don't want this. We can change it though.
Just a few more.
Yeah.
You want to do
Range.
the glass?
Hmm?
You want to do the glass?
Glass? The glass one?
The glass one.
Glass one. The glass range?
Few more, yeah.
They have glass? Oh. Sure, whichever one.
Like 3 this way.
Okay. class, I need to clean often, don't know. But I mean, granted, yeah, sure. The dirt. What's the maybe make it look decent? Look decent.
Yeah.
The fridge is not bad. I can give
Fridge,
the
I
fridge.
must wrap the fridge.
Yeah. Fridge not bad at all.
Yeah, just wrap the fridge. Wrap the outside.
And it's deep. That's not my whole thing, it's deep. Yes, so as me say, lick off the wall of them, yeah? Take off them door, yeah?
Lick off the wall.
The top.
Yeah.
Take off them top, yeah? Take off the wall of the door, then strip them down. Move that out of this, sir.
The door them will have to flush, man. They're not going to have that space or anything.
Yeah. Whoa.
Exactly.
Okay, I didn't see that.
As I just said, the door alone, I will beat a different. The door alone, I beat a different, okay?
Yeah, man, yeah, the door will give a different. But think this can repair now?
Yeah. We don't have to take out that neither. We can basically
Patch it.
patch it.
Yeah. That makes sense. Or even just put a new line
Go to
for
try
the
the might
bottom.
even just basically wrap the inside to the top of
Sure.
inside.
Completely up for that too.
Yeah.
Where's the other mommy? Yeah. Yeah, no, come here, come here. Yeah, I can't be cheap no more. Yeah. Monday for the man limit, you know.
Yes?
The whole of this. Because as I said, look on this under here, so. You see?
Oh, yeah.
It's like in paint it or something and
yeah.
build some new door for it.
Yeah.
So it might be the man. Yeah, the stove I could change.
Let's make a change. Yes,
So what we need for this, take some
this is
picture.
really clean and calm.
Yeah.
Some digging and then carve back the whole.
You say if I could do that general floor, that big general something, yeah? We need one to look nice.
Which one would I do?
Huh?
Which one would I do? In here, sir?
I never really got thing to change this in here, so.
Oh, which one you have to have? In the
Another
bathroom?
bathroom need that,
Yeah.
yeah.
We can do the wood something there in the bathroom then if you want it.
We can do this too, because it's cheaper and quicker for right now.
Can we not do the wood one? Well, yeah.
I would love the wood one too. I've done this to that too. But yeah. But what we kind of need to do now is to like take some general picture of the room now. Because if you see enough of them online places, you can do some of them little something there. We kind of try design.
Come over here, sir.
And just make it stay on that side
Stay
there.
on the side and put the stools over here, sir.
I agree.
So this flush with the wall, coming down.
That the other woman do, you know. And then put cupboard there, so, but when you really want a cupboard there, so, but
No.
yeah, that she do put this more over this, so. But yeah, I agree. This is going to be the biggest project. The bathroom. This is really low. This, the sink, as you can see if you're looking at the mirror, I can be up here and you literally, it's so low. So we're gonna fix this. Also, Inessa definitely need a reno. The shower. But you know, today's April 20. Today April 23rd. And we're not moving until the end of May, so we have time. We have time. We just need to do a thing. We need to measure in yourself. So in comparison to the closet what we have right now in our old apartment, this is a bit of a downgrade, but you know, it's okay. What I am thinking is, a while ago we did in Ikea, we saw some like closet units. So maybe we can take out this, get one of them closet units from Ikea. We even come with like the drawer thing where you can pull out, you know, your jewelry drawer or them kind of something there. And yeah, probably move them old door, yeah. But yeah. And then from our room window, you have a good view of the backyard. So even them concrete stone that we're having in the backyard, we're gonna try, what do you call it? We're gonna try power wash them. But yeah. There's a walkway right there. Never realized that. Cannot wait to change that. And then the idea is four big pictures, preferably with probably wedding pictures and stuff, but all of them are going in a black and white with like black frames, and we need to paint them into. Oh,
No, it looks sturdy.
oh, it looks sturdy.
It looks sturdy. It feels sturdy too. That's like back and forth, so.
Oh, okay. I mean, at least it gray.
And we can change this.
Yeah.
And now we change that.
All right. Ready, set, go. Yeah. Certain little things we're gonna really need for keep out the house, yeah. Expensive. Somebody don't just have a whole tree in them yard, you know?
No, man.
Right there, sir.
No, sir.
And you want to see the bunch of string lights with the pepper light string light?
No, sir.
A metal fence like Mr. Picasso saw, a metal fence?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. For one of the big houses.
Okay. Look at the backyard, mama. Nice.
Backyard. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go looking at the basement now. So this is the second bathroom. Yeah, there's just so much going on here we need to fix, but that's okay. And then this other bedroom. So yeah. This are the other appliance, so we are gonna change the dryer. To be honest, it's working, but ew. Can you see in there? Yeah, no. Super sexy. And I wonder when last time actually clean the vent. So yeah, this button is a dud. I think I'm doing it on purpose too. Cause this gone in. I look a metal thing that gone in, so everything else worked though. But yeah. The dryer for the change, and then the machine now. Yucky, right? I don't know. And then the sink for change too. So we'll probably just have to come back on the weekend and do one whole heap of measurements. A whole bunch of measurements. But one content backdrop, I got it somewhere, yeah, so. Because we always need a content space. But we'll have the corner here, right, so. And we'll have this over here, so. We'll have enough space, can consider which one we want to put. Which one we want to put like one content wall. And for right here side of the front door, we did I think like a bench with like some jacket stuff, and then needed I think one big mirror yes in the corner. Let me zoom out a bit. Like a big mirror yes in the corner. But yeah, guess it'll be like a nice entry space area. And then so we're gonna try to paint this too. We're gonna paint that over there. And then yes, I would have tried to replace with a built-in cupboard. Yeah, change the dishwasher? I think we said we'd keep it.
Oh, we still keep it?
I think so, because Chewy say it's better than what we work with right now. It does look crooked, but it might not be a dishwasher thing, but a cupboard thing. Cause it looks solid, no? Sure. Mm-hmm.
We might take off the doors and wrap the facing of the cupboards and change the doors.
Cause to be honest, the new door them it seems like how you say it go flush and meet in the middle. It's like actually flush and meet the top too.
Well, yeah.
Everything will just be all in one.
Have the hinge between, which some of them know.
The hinge the inside no.
The inside no.
Yeah.
Yeah, shit.
Which is why them slow closing.
Okay.
The little pull and pull looking something in the middle.
Okay. Yeah, so them can be flush. So.
So some background on what was going on with the key. We basically take the day off from work today because we say a closing day, so we're gonna take the day off, get the key. I think so would I get the key from like this morning, and it so happened that we didn't get the key until 3 o'clock because the bank have to basically transfer the money to our lawyer, then our lawyer transfer the money to the homeowners, and then yeah, what's not turn up. Switch inhibited security mode. I don't know what that means. Hi!
You got hugs at school.
You got hugs at school? Give mommy a hug. Oh! Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
So that's why
Caitlin?
every point of hug. She had talked to somebody, so in case she like ignoring.
Oh. This morning?
just a while ago.
Oh, because him kind of ignored this morning too.
Oh.
Say hi, Sai.
Hi, neighbor.
Hi, oh, you remember neighbors? Baba say hi, neighbors.
Hi, neighbor.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Guess what? We went to the new house. Sai, we went to the new house.
Oh, yeah. Look at the snacks and watch TV.
Yeah, I know you want snacks and watch TV. Me I tell you about the new house. But yeah. So me just give a lowdown pan what did I want. But yeah, so because we get the key late, it kind of cut everything short because we didn't want just dead it for a while. Goodbye. We didn't want dead it for a little while, so we could, you know, measure things.
Measure things.
God, I do outside of stuff, but yeah, that did not happen. Them people that do that nicely, I like how that look. Them use some white and grey looking gravel and put the lights them in it. Them use it for like mark the driveway, the walkway.
Okay.
I mess it, yeah, I kind of like that. Cause the gravel you see them throw under the deck area there, so it not really uniform, it just scattered. Yeah, it is. It's turning it. I'm realized that the grass one level in a sense, like it kind of up and down.
Grass one, big up.
Yeah, I'm planting some good grass.
Now green coming up.
Huh?
Green elbow.
You see, as long as my problem the other day with the balcony was, because as I said, the palm could have thrived in a bud. Them can't come into the house because of the fly them. So if we can do some things in the backyard and then cover them, fake plant alone into the house. To them I take some picture of some fake plant. When I say Ikea, some nice big looking one we would I want, you know, like as in them would I want to look at them big plant there, but yeah, them fake. So I'm kind of open to that. But yeah, so I guess we're gonna go back today. What Tuesday? We'll go back on the weekend maybe. I don't know.
We might need to go back before then.
I'm open to that. And then go, yeah.
Some measurement need to get taken.
Yeah, we need to get a measurement. And as I say, if we can get certain basic things out of the way,
So I don't pick it.
In hand.
Okay, you come.
Oh gosh. Yeah, if we can get certain big things out of the way, because as I said, that's how we're not moving. So as I said, we look on the bathroom stall, the wall of them look at something there. And yeah. So what we need to clarify, as we said with Carolyn now, I just hold our spending there go and yeah. And once we have that, we're good to go. How about that? Happy say you see? No, but that can't go over you. What the hell is that? Are somebody muffler?
Somebody vent.
Oh shit.
Somebody vent off.
I saw breeze of blue to her?
What do you mean? Blow off people jaws.
Ridiculous. Anywho guys, yeah.
The what?
I'm gonna say
Yes, what you lost?
You're ridiculous.
What you lost? Ridiculous.
Anywho, that is the update for today, guys. Yeah.
Macaroni center.
See you when we get back there and we'll do more measurements. You wanna say bye, neighbors?
Bye, neighbors.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Tell them what you did today.
What did you do today at school?
Alright, no bother. No.
My boy go
Exactly. Me see him.
wink with him and I put him thumb up. But that way like that.
But you want me learn your script and then do it when you give me the cue.
Exactly. What did you do today at school? Did you have fun at school today? Yeah.
So my girl, what me tell you say?
Still come, guys. Well, no, as in see you the next time we got a host.